Alright guys, check this out. We have this Saturn Vue 2008 Saturn Vue. If you ever have a problem with your blender and your temperature is not working, so this is pretty much the video for you guys. So this car right here, customers state that they've been trying to figure out why is the blender and the door not switching, or the temperature is not switching. And after 5 years they found me, so we're gonna try and fix it. So I replaced the actuator, and also I replaced this one right here. So I replaced this one right here. There's the parts number right there. I replaced that one. Now we have to calibrate it. So to be able to calibrate this car right here, we have to use this scan tools right here. So we're gonna actuator calibration. So make sure I'm parked, and then say okay. See, okay, after you replace this one and the actuator, make sure you calibrate it, and then press okay. You hear that moving? It's doing all its job. You heard it? It's moving. It'll take a minute to calibrate it. So we just gotta calibrate this one right here, guys. So this is Saturn Vue right here, Saturn Vue 2008. The same thing as Traverse. I know you're gonna bump it. This is a common problem. This one right here, they go bad a lot when you're trying to switch it to temperature, and it doesn't want to switch it to the door. So now we're gonna turn it on. So after it says done, it's complete, press OK, and then we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna go back to mode position. So turn it on. So we on the front. So we're gonna check the data. Actually diagnose the code. Just find out if you got any code. If you do got code, we're gonna clear it. Oh, still got code right there. Short to ground, clear history. So we're gonna clear that one right there. After we clear it, so it's cleared. So oh, it's still there. I don't know if that me, but I'm gonna check that out. What's going on? But special function. You're gonna recalibrate it again. Okay, place the transmission in park. Okay, power service, prepare for actuator calibrator, place the transmission in park or neutral, turn the key on, start the engine. Let calibrate, take the 40 seconds, press OK. After clearing the code, yep, you hear that moving? So this is how we're gonna calibrate, guys. Before it wasn't working. Before this one, it was only the blower working. This one does not work. This one does not work. So after replacing this one right here, and also both the actuator, and then we're gonna calibrate it, you can see if it's gonna work. If it still don't work, you know it could be the body control module. So we're gonna test it out. Turn it on, get the AC on. So this one got blower coming out from here. I got a blower coming out from here. So now we're gonna try to do the this one. Yep, I can feel something on the bottom. Now we're gonna try and set the bottom right here. See if it's gonna blow the bottom. Something's causing it. It's not switching. So after calibrating, same thing. See, it's switching. It switched to heat. Moving to the front is moving all the it's complete. So now we're gonna try and put a defroster. It's on heat now. It works. So I guess we got to fix. Yep, gotta calibrate, guys. Check it out. That's how you do it. Yep, it's working now. Yep. So after we just calibrated, now we're gonna try to check